be I'm not gonna make that. Sure. Where's my link? Bear with me, bear with me. So I need to go on YouTube. Here it is. Okay, I actually should post this somewhere else, but you know what? Doesn't matter. I'll figure it out in a second. All right, what up? What up, everybody? Welcome. Let's mute that. Welcome aboard to another league. Welcome aboard to another year of MLB The Show leagues with Dynasty Legends, as we call ourselves. I'm going to be more short in these videos and get to the point, probably just only do 2 or 3 points, and I'll run a few more videos this year. So I guess you guys will see a lot of content going up this year, and I'll try to get some of the other guys that's working together on the league on some of these videos. So you know what? It's kind of hard as we go. Every year? It's now 10:08, so about 10:15. I'm wrapping this video. It's kind of getting hard for everyone to keep rejoining, build the enthusiasm to play. And I was saying to Mike, like, honestly, every year you feel like you got to build yourself up to play here. But what are we going to do? I mean, we're getting older. We got to have some sort of hobby, some sort of way to have some enjoyment. And I guess we should just keep the league going, forever, I think, until we can't even play anymore. Because where are we going to put this energy into other than baseball? We all love it. This year, we're leaning towards a direction that I've been trying to get us to do for a long time, and that is a draft league. Now, we didn't go this way because a lot of the members do like the old-fashioned teams, and what I guess is you like looking at the players you see every day, your favorite team, and then getting on the show and duplicate something or take your team to the chip. So I understand that, but not all those teams are balanced. It doesn't create a fair enough environment. And the draft league idea, I understand people don't want to do a full draft, so we came up and said, well, what's the mixture? And the mixture is like, if you ever played fantasy baseball, it's like we're playing a keeper league. So you get to whatever uniform you want. I want the Yankees. I want the Angels. I want. Maybe we'll do team battles if, like always, if 2 or 3 of the same guys want the same team, and then you get your jersey. You get to decide, the 4 players that you want to keep, and then you draft the rest. So that's a 26-man roster, I believe, and 4 you'll be keeping from the original team, and we can split the drafts up into 2 halves, so it's not long and lengthy. We can do, you draft 11 players one night, we take 2-3 days off, you draft another 11 players. We run a WBC alongside a scrimmage league, alongside the spring training, and we give you a mulligan, sort of the end of the WBC, maybe give you a chance to flip out 3 of those players that maybe you drafted and you're not feeling them anymore. Go back into the list and pick them up and pick up some 3 other names. and then we start a 60, 67 game season like we did last year, and not run it into like December or something like that. So we're going to be very selective this year in who we invite. The league likely will be shorter when we do this. So instead of it being 19, it's possibly going to be a 14 or 16 man league. And we have a system so that it's not, we're all playing with souped up Diamond Dynasty, all 99 teams. I'm going to share a screen with you. And this is pretty much going to be all we're going to talk about on this video call. So just to give you guys an idea, Mike has done some leg work already. He's put all of the 9 players from every roster, their starting 9. He's put their bench players into a spreadsheet as well. Thank you very much, Mike. He's got their overalls and he's got, you know, their positions. He's got the starting pitchers as well. And this is like, I'll post this on the website. It'll look a little differently, a little bit more easier on the eyes when I post it. And this will be all the names, and I'll post this stuff on the website in 2 formats. I'll post it in this format, which he has here, going from the overalls down. So you know, he started from this is the batters, I believe. He hasn't done the pitchers yet, which he's going to get done by this weekend. You're looking at the highest overall batter all the way down, starting at 95 overall, going all the way down to what, probably 63 on this side, and then he's got some more. These are all bench players. The highest overall bench player going all the way down from a 79 to a 58. And you know, we're gonna have a system of how you do this draft. It's gonna basically turn out to where everyone has the same overall balanced team. So we're gonna have a set number. So Mike has already done the legwork for us, where he's taken every lineup in the game and calculated their total overall, 658 points here, 694 here, and he's created a league average. And that will be the average. That will be like your draft dollars you will be using to build your team. So, you know, you'll have a lineup draft dollars, 698. You'll have a bench draft dollars, 280. And we're going to refine this, 280, because, you know, after he took 30 teams, the average is 280. So we're going to do some mock drafts. Maybe we'll invite you guys to see this, to see how a lineup would look with these benchmark numbers. You know, maybe it needs to go up another 20 points, or maybe go down, or stay right where it's at. So you're going to have your starting pitchers. They're going to be overall, you know, their overalls, 5 starters, their overalls are going to add up to 380. And that's an average, I believe, of 76, these guys here. And similarly for your relief, your pen. So we're gonna be thorough, like always. We're gonna have a number for everything. And when it's all said and done, you're gonna have 698 lineup, 280 bench, 380 starting pitchers, 557 bullpen, and everyone's team is gonna add up to these numbers. You have a balanced league, and you know, guys can mix and match. Maybe you want more guys in the 80s, and maybe you want a top heavy because based on the 70 overalls, you feel like you can hit with them. You can hit better with the 70 overall. You can go top heavy. You can go a total balance team. Have everyone in the 80s, 82s. Never go really that high. And it will be very interesting to see how you guys finally put the whole thing together. Being a GM, building your whole team, and we damn sure know these teams will be balanced. And then going out there and playing the game. So what needs to be said after this is you guys need to really get out there and familiarize yourself with all of the players within the game, so that you have a feeling of who works for you. You know, just because Trout's a 95 and he's supposed to do this and he's supposed to do that, you probably are not good with him. And we all know this. So we just hit better with some of these other players, and we can't call it. So go ahead, do your homework, mix it up. Everyone within the scrimmage leagues can invite each other invite yourselves. If you can't invite yourself, have people invite you. Invite as many of the same guys you're playing. Just keep sending out invites so guys can switch up teams. Let's get the groundwork all done by learning players, not just your favorite team anymore, because you're going to be building your team. And let's see what we can do in this hybrid draft type league. So we're gonna run this scrimmage league. We're gonna I need you guys to play some more so we can figure out the sliders, as this step and the WBC and the spring training is where we do that. So the more you guys play, the better the sliders are going to be, the setup is going to be. And this year we're really going to make sure we not have to do a lot on the sliders. So that I'll talk about in another video, but I'll just give you some dates on some stuff. So we're going to try to have the the pitchers information in here very soon by Saturday, Sunday, and we'll do sort of a mock draft the middle of next week. Once we get a mock draft done, we want to start the real draft. I'm going to set a date for the real draft, and likely looking at maybe the 24th of April. So we don't want to get out. We don't want April to end and we haven't done the draft. So this is going to all happen quick. Get ready. There's a lot more to come. So you're going to see about 2 or 3 more videos from me within the next 6-7 days. And let's have some fun, man. It's something new. And I'm looking forward to baseball. I'm glad that a lot of you guys are on board. Everyone I sent private messages to start this thing up, and now I'm doing group messages, and everyone's sort of on board to try this. So let's see what happens. I think it can be a lot of fun. Looking forward to talking to you guys again on the next video.